Shalom and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're focusing on purging our homes of leaven in preparation for the feast of Passover and unleavened bread. Today the kids requested peanut butter sandwiches, and it turned out to be the perfect opportunity to have a discussion about the importance of consuming leavened items before Passover. As I made these simple sandwiches, I explained to them how during Passover we must remove all leaven from our homes. It's a time to reflect on the significance of eating unleavened bread, just like the Israelites did when they were quickly freed from Egypt without time for their bread to rise. I also share with them how leaven symbolizes sin, and by eating out leavened foods now, we're preparing ourselves to remove anything that doesn't belong, both in our homes and in our hearts before Passover begins. This was such a lovely way to turn a small request into a meaningful teaching moment. It's these simple everyday moments that help us remember the deeper connections between what we do in our homes and the lessons of our faith. As we go about our cleaning today, let's remember the deeper meaning behind the task. Leaven is often seen as a symbol of sin, and by removing it from our homes, we are reminded of the importance of purging our hearts of anything that may separate us from the truth. As we clean each room, let's take a moment to think about our own hearts. Is there any area where you may have allowed something to linger, something that doesn't belong? Just as we take the time to sweep away crumbs and check every cabinet, we can ask ourselves, what do we need to let go of? The process of cleaning can be meditative, a time for quiet reflection.
When I met you, I knew I needed more of you to teach me all your ways. Righteousness, love, fear of the Most High. So every day I pray, create in me a clean heart, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, oh God, oh God. I wanna be in your will. Lord, do you hear me? Do you hear me? I delight to do thy will. You, Lord, have I hidden in my heart, so that I might die daily. Get rid of the old me. Perfect.
Before you just throw out your baking soda, remember that it's a really good natural cleanser and deodorizer. Baking soda is one of those versatile items that can do wonders for cleaning around the house. But as we prepare for Passover, we need to remember that baking soda is actually a leavening agent. You see, baking soda, just like yeast, is a substance that causes things to rise. So when we remove leaven from our homes for Passover, baking soda has to go too. We can't keep it around, as it technically acts as leaven, even though it's often used in cleaning. I've been working through my big Costco bag of baking soda, incorporating it into my cleaning routine in various places around the home. Whether it's in the kitchen or the bathroom, baking soda is an incredible natural cleaner that helps scrub away dirt, grease, and grime without the harsh chemicals. And of course, it leaves everything smelling fresh. Now, one of my favorite tricks for using baking soda during cleaning is to create a simple paste. Just mix a little water with your baking soda and you'll have a powerful scrubbing paste. It's perfect for tough spots like greasy stovetops, bathroom, and kitchen sinks. Let it sit for several minutes to allow the paste to work its magic. The longer it's soaked, the easier it will be to scrub away the dirt and stains. And the results? You'll have a clean surface with minimal effort, and you'll be amazed at the beauty and shine that comes through. It's such a simple, effective, and natural way to freshen up your space before Passover. Hey, what's your favorite way to use baking soda in your cleaning routine? Do you have any secret cleaning tips you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments down below.
Why am I so scared? Forgetting that you have always been there. I thank the Lord for his mercy. I gotta trust him and not grow weary. Mount up the wings as an eagle. Walk through the valley, I shall fear no evil. For you are with me. Thy rod and thy staff will comfort thee. When the devil brings confusion and doubt, I'ma search your word with all my might. I'ma push him out. But I'm so scared, what do? Heart disquieted, I gotta get the rock of my strength, the light of my day. Oh please don't cast me away. Shall we receive good at the hand of God? Yeah. And maybe even if it ever gets better, boy, the preacher, the rock of my strength, the light of my days.
Yeah, listen, look, on the front line in this war, trying to stand stiff, but temptations woo me, can't focus, anxious, unsure. World did me greasy, you fed, you clean me, you clothed me, gave me succor. So why's my heart growing faint within me? Why do I feel insecure? Help me, Lord, through many trials and plenty tribulations. You visit the sins of our fathers through many generations. Please grant me patience. Affliction stems from the provocations and emulations and envy of all the other nations. Damn, excelled in wickedness. Got so much sin in me. Second chances, I don't deserve any. Kind and friendly to those in low estates. Burdens get heavy, but won't put too much upon our plates. Ay, most high, I say, don't hide your face from me.
As we finish up, remember that this cleaning is more than just a physical task. Just as in spring, it's an opportunity for renewal, a fresh start. Just as we remove the leaven from our homes, we can also make space for something new, something pure. Let this be a reminder that each day brings a new chance for growth and cleansing. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this cleaning session has brought you peace and clarity. May this Passover season bring you renewal in both your home and your heart. Until next time, bye.